Hello all, welcome to Just Quant. In this video, we'll try to understand the basics of highest common factor and also we'll look into the techniques involved in calculating the highest common factor. Let's start with understanding what is meant by the highest common factor. In order to understand this, let's consider two numbers 24 and 36. Here the factors for 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. And the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Right? Here we see that there are certain factors that are common to both 24 and 36. That is, 1 is a common factor to 24 and 36, 2 is a common factor, 3 is a common factor, 4 is a common factor, 6, 8 and 12. Among all these common factors, we see that 12 is the highest common factor, and hence this 12 forms the highest common factor of 24 and 36. Right? So we have HCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Right? So in general, the HCF of two or more numbers is the highest common factor among those numbers. Clear? Now how do we calculate the HCF of two or more numbers? In order to calculate the HCF, we can use either the prime factorization method or the division method. Let's first look at the prime factorization method. Consider three numbers, say 24, 36 and 45. We are now trying to calculate the HCF of 24, 36 and 45. So in order to calculate the HCF of these three numbers, we express each of these numbers in terms of their prime factors. That is, 24 in terms of its prime number is written as 2 cube into 3, and 36 in terms of its prime factor is written as 2 square into 3 square, and 45 is written as 3 square into 5. Right? Now in order to calculate the HCF, we first make a note of all the prime factors. Here we have 2, 3 and 5. So writing this here, and then raise each of these prime factors by the lowest power. That is, the lowest power of 2 in these three numbers is 2 to the power of 0 here, right? And the lowest power of 3 is 3 to the power of 1, and the lowest power of 5 is 5 to the power of 0. Right? Okay. So now take product of this, we get 3, which is the highest common factor of 24, 36 and 45. Here, let's now see how to calculate the HCF of 24, 36 and 45 using the division method. Okay. We are trying to calculate the HCF of 24, 36 and 45. The division method of calculating HCF is applied on two numbers at a time. So we'll consider two numbers, say 24 and 36, calculate its HCF by using the division method, which gives us a value, say x. We then calculate the HCF of x and 45 by using the division method. The value obtained is our HCF of 24, 36 and 45. So let's now consider 24 and 36. The HCF of 24 and 36 by division method is obtained by dividing one number by another. So dividing 36 by 24 we get 12 as the remainder. If we have a non-zero remainder, we then divide the divisor by the remainder. So here we divide 24 by 12, which gives us a remainder 0. So that divisor which gives us a remainder 0 is our HCF. Hence the HCF of 24 and 36 is 12, right? So our value of x is 12. We now calculate the HCF of 12 and 45 to calculate the HCF of the three numbers. So 45 when divided by 12 gives us 12 3 are 36, which gives us a remainder 9. 9 is non-zero remainder, so we divide the divisor 12 by 9, which gives us a remainder 3. 3 again is a non-zero remainder, so we divide the divisor 9 by 3, which gives us a remainder 0. Hence the divisor 3 gives us a remainder 0, and hence 3 is the HCF of 12 and 45, which implies that 3 is the HCF of 24, 36 and 45. Okay, so I hope this video is clear. In the next video we'll solve some problems based on HCF. Thanks for watching.